Hello everyone, my name is Mashkur Ali. Are you wondering if CIT Bank gives you checks or if you can deposit checks into your CIT Bank account? In this video, we'll break it all down for you in simple steps. We will explain whether CIT Bank offers checkbooks, how you can deposit checks using the mobile app, and what limits you need to know about. So if you use CIT Bank or plan to open an account, this video will help you understand everything about check deposits. To get the correct information, we came to CIT Bank's official website. We'll answer all your questions using the information provided on this website. First, we scroll down the official site to see what they say about whether CIT Bank provides checks or not. First, they mention the Platinum Savings account, and in that, there is no mention of checks. Then, they talked about the Savings Builder account, and again, there is no mention of checks. After that, we see some questions related to the e-checking account. When we scroll down in that section, we find information about checks. Can I order checks for my e-checking account? No, this is a checkless checking account. Then we scroll a bit more down and find some FAQs about the money market account. In those, they have also mentioned information about checks. There are no debit cards or checks with the money market account. So friends, in these two types of accounts, they clearly said the checks are unprovided. And in the other two accounts as well, checks are not available because this is an online bank with no physical branches, so they do not provide checkbooks. Now let's talk about whether you can deposit checks into your CIT Bank account. For this, we scroll further down the page, and here you can see they clearly mention deposits can be made via a funds transfer, mobile check deposit via the CIT Bank mobile app, incoming wire, or by mailing a check to the following address. This means you can open the CIT Bank mobile app, go to the mobile check deposit option, take a picture of your check, and upload it. This way, your check will be deposited into your CIT Bank account. Besides that, you can also mail your check to the address they provide. Your check will be deposited through that as well. You can take note of this address. Now, let's talk about the deposit limit for checks. Here they have given information about all four types of accounts. You can see they talk about transaction limits for each account. They've listed the online transfer limit, then the bill payment limit, and also the Zelle transfer limit. But they haven't mentioned any specific limit for check deposits. However, when you open a CIT Bank account, you receive a document called Terms and Conditions in PDF form. You can find your check deposit limit mentioned in that document, or you can also call the CIT Bank helpline and ask about your check deposit limit directly